Well, good Wednesday to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Good gracious almighty, hope everybody's having a sure enough good.
It's hump day.
But you know what? It looks like it's fixing to rain over here once again. And I ain't talking about just like a pouring down rain. It'll rain for about dang 5 minutes and then it'll stop and get hot. But I wanted to do a little brief update on the 2 shade projects that I am doing over here at my home in the sticks. So give me a second and yeah, we finna get into that. All right, you and y'all, here we go. There are the shade project shade cukes. And they are doing pretty dang good if I say so myself. I originally started with 4, I think 4, no, it might have been 6. I think it was 6 international pickler plants in this container right here. Remember the 4 seeds that I planted in this container? There they are. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4 over there. So those actually came up. So you know what that tells me? Dan, you should have just planted the seeds directly in the container and they would have just come up just fine instead of, you know, doing it the old school method with a heat mat and a seed starting tray. So yeah, they come up and they're growing real nicely. They're starting to get big. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've been watering these guys every day. Tomorrow I'm going to start them on a fertilization regimen, if you will, using blood meal and bone meal. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with that. But it's looking good. Have no complaints. But I'm here to tell you, that's gonna be a whole bunch of dang cucumbers if they make. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to add me another war to here. Maybe go yonder way. I ain't sure. I add one down at the bottom. But there you go. Shade tree cucumbers are looking real good. Here's the other thing we're working on. The hay bale rack with the hay bale in it. Now, what I'm gonna tell you is, I ain't gonna lie, I missed a day on Mr. CB's routine or his regimen on how he conditions his hay bales. I missed a day. I don't know, I forgot really. But I caught back up. But Mr. CB, if you watch this video, I have a couple of questions that maybe you can answer for me. My first one is this hay bale supposed to give off an odor of any kind? Like a distinct deteriorating hay odor, I guess. I'm not really sure. Is it supposed to do that? And I guess my second question is this hay bale supposed to look like this? I will say that this hay bale is attracting a lot of flying insects, flies, and some just, I don't know what they called or what they are. You probably can't see them, or maybe you can. It's a real light colored fly, a moth. I don't know what it is. Is that supposed to occur? So, Ms. CB, if you would, sir, could you answer those 2 questions for me, please? Because I want to make sure that I'm doing this correctly. I don't know if skipping a day or missing a day is really going to hurt it. I don't know. I am the next step in this process is, and I told y'all I'll bring y'all back on step 9 if I'm not mistaken, but I have to go a half a cup of the 3400, water it in, and then from there on it's just going to be watering and one more dose of a 10-10-10 fertilizer, and then watering from there on. So if you would, sir, is that supposed to be doing, is that doing what it's supposed to be doing? I don't know. So here to tell y'all, it is a beautiful day today. It's overcast. It looks like it wants to rain again. And I'm just doing a whole bunch of stuff, trying to get a whole bunch of stuff done over here at the home in the sticks while I got this overcast to do it in. So y'all, again, I hope everybody is having a wonderful hump day, the middle of the week. And if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give me a look, because you know I'm always doing stuff. Really. And with that being said, you know it's coming. Dan, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. I guarantee you, it's that dang important. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.